The second type of automated storage is carousel system. Let's have a look on the example for horizontal carousel system. So one of the advantage for carousel system is that it is very modular in design. Say for example, at the moment our factory only needs 2 modules, so we can set up 2 modules first, and in the future we can extend and make another modules without disturbing current operations. So that is one of the advantage of using carousel system. And if we compare between ASRS and carousel system, normally ASRS is used to deal with large materials. However, for carousel system, normally it is used for small materials and normally for electronic parts, which require careful handlings and normally operates within a clean room environment. Okay, there are several other carousel systems you may watch at your convenience. Apart from horizontal carousel system that we have just watched, there are also vertical carousel system, and not only it is limited to factory usage, but nowadays even car parking system has been utilizing vertical carousel system in order to optimize the storage. Okay, this is the basics for ASRS, where it consists of storage and retrieval machines, and these machines must be able to move with along the aisles between the storage, and we need to have a storage structure as well as the storage modules, which normally is based on pallets. There are several types of ASRS. Among them includes unit load ASRS, deep lane ASRS uses flow through racks and fewer access aisles. Mini load ASRS to handle small loads contained in a bins or drawer to perform order picking. Man on board ASRS, where it can also accommodate a human operator to rides on the carriage to pick individual item, automated item retrieval system to pick individual item, as well as the vertical lift storage modules, or VLSM, that uses a vertical aisle rather than a horizontal aisle as in other ASRS system. These are some of the applications for ASRS for unit load storage and retrieval, warehouses and distribution operations. A very typical example where it uses unit load and deep lane ASRS, particularly for food industry, order picking, as well as the work in process storage. As for carousel system, for horizontal carousel system, the operation is similar to overhead conveyor system used in dry cleaning establishment. So items are stored in bins suspended from the conveyor, and the length range between 3 meters to 30 meters, the total length. And horizontal is most common type for carousel system. Whereas for vertical system, it operates around a vertical conveyor loop and less floor space required. However, the overhead room must be provided. This is the basic structure for the horizontal carousel storage system, where it has a centralized drive motor system to drive the entire bins or the carousel tracks through along the structure. So the operator just need to be available at the loading and unloading station in order to receive any of the items or in order to store incoming items. For carousel applications, some of the typical application includes the order picking, kitting of parts for assembly, transportation and accumulation, time testing of electronics industry, and nowadays, due to space limitation in the city areas, so carousel application has been used as part of car parking system in order to maximize the vertical space. So it is not only limited for factory usage, but nowadays it also has been very beneficial for city planning and applications. These are some of the feature differences between ASRS and a carousel system in terms of the storage. So ASRS requires the rack system to support pallets or shelf bins. However, for carousel system, the baskets are suspended from overhead conveyor trolleys. The motions for ASRS are normally in linear motions. However, the carousel system use revolutions of overhead conveyor trolley around the oval track. For the storage and retrieval operations, ASRS machine travels to the compartment in rack structure. For carousel system, the conveyor revolves and bring the